Hello guys, what's up? And today we are gonna find out like missing number. All right. If you have watched my previous video, then there is also an approach of a missing number, but that was like the array start, the array initiate value like start with one, and it goes on with like it's a beginning number with an array. It will be very easier to like find out the missing number in an array. But today we are gonna do a different approach. All right. We are gonna use a different concept of JavaScript, and like we will find out the missing number like, even if the array is not begin with one. All right, and let's give it like array like number. All right, let's do the number is equal to like we will give an array like our array will start with five, like 5 6 7 and 8 is missing, 9, and like like 10. All right, this will be our array. If you have watched my previous video, then the previous video array was started with one. That's why it become a little bit easier. But this method is also easier. But this is like you will get more professionalism, and you will find out the real concept of finding missing number. And 5 6 7 8 is missing, 9 and 10. All right, we'll find out the number 8, and how we're gonna find out like follow me and like missing number, and right, and I will like log and like find missing number. We pass number as an argument. All right, and here we will show it as an we will take it as an array. All right, and let's first of all what we will do is like find out the what we're gonna find out like minimum number of an array. We're gonna use the method of JavaScript. All right, and we're gonna like find out the minimum value. All right, minimum value is equal to method minimum, sorry, and we will use here like a spreading operator. Why we use spreading operator? Because the spreading operator iterate the value. It iterate the value of this array, and it will give us the minimum number. All right. If you do not use the spreading operator in this method, then it will not work. All right. If you wanna know more about the spreading operator, you can check it out on MDN. All right. Like I will show you how the things work. Like, do you guys see? We find our number five. Number five is our minimum number. All right, then it is a little bit easier. And then let like uh, max value. Max value is equal to like method max. We will do the same thing. Method minimum and method max, and like return like max value. Return max value. What will be the max value is 10. And what is the max value of an array? It is 10. All right. And we find out like minimum value and maximum value. Minimum value is like 5, and like maximum value is like 10. All right. And how we will do a little bit like simple, very simple like logic here. We will use very simple logic like first of all, let's give a for like let I, oh sorry, I is equal to like minimum value. I is our minimum value, and I is our minimum value. I is smaller. All right, I'm sorry. I is smaller than max value, and like I plus plus. This is our like for loop, and what we're gonna do is like if we're gonna use like statement if is if like array dot includes if array dot includes I. If array does not includes the I, then what we're gonna do like return. This is this is our like very basic, like basic logic here. If array does not include I, then return I. All right. I will show how things like the our for loop. What will our for loop will do? Like like our like initiate value is like 5. Then it will loop through the up to max value, and our max value is 10. Like our max value is 10. Then 5, then 6 7 8 9, and then after 10. All right, it will goes our loop will goes like this, and like so 5 5 exists, 6 6 also exists in an array, and 7 also exists in array, and 8 it doesn't exist in array. And what will it return if it does not includes in array? All right, 5, 6, 7 it includes in array, but 8 it does not includes in array. That's why it will return the I. 9 also include in an array, and 10 is also included in an array. And what does not include, it will return that value. And like like I will show you, like what 8 we got 8. All right, we find out the missing number of an array 8. And like it is like very basic things. All right, this is the basic problem, like very easy problem of JavaScript. But here is like one tragic point. What is the tragic point is, we find out only the one number. If an array has like missed more than one number, then how will we find the number, the more than one number? Then like I will show you simply, like I will remove the 9 from an array, right? I will remove the 9 from an array, and then here two number is missing, 8 and 9. And how we gonna find out like 8 and 9? How we gonna find out the number 8 and 9? And we will like this is the like the concept, the logic we use is like for one number, only one number. If array is missing from one number, then we will find out one number. But here is like tragedy. And like two number is missing here. And how we gonna find out the two number? Like it's also very simple. Like let we will like do like let's do the result. All right, result is like empty array. Instead of result, like we will use like miss number. All right, miss number, we will give an empty array. And what we're gonna do is uh miss, we'll push the miss number dot, we'll push the I, miss number dot push I. All right, and we will like return miss number. And what this do, like like miss number dot push I. If the number doesn't includes in an array, then push to the miss number array, because it can contain like it can contain more than one number. It's an array, it's our array. That's why we will push direct to our the missing number. We will push our missing number direct to the missing number array, and we will return missing number. And we like like let's check it out here. Oh shit, just a minute, we have missed a number. Right, miss number that push I if array does not include, and let missing number. And like, oh sorry, I'm really sorry, instead of here I have to do like here, and like return missing number. And like boom, we find out 8 and 9. 8 and 9 is our missing number. And how we find out? Look, this is a little bit like awesome. 8 and 9, we found the two number were missing in our array, and we find out like 8 and 9. And we did it, guys. That's all for today. And in my upcoming video, we are gonna like solve a little bit more complex problem. And just keep calm and like keep exploring, keep learning, guys. All right, and thank you so much for watching. I hope it helps you, and thank you.